Hey the world, I want to show you how to do Havana curls for crochet. People have been asking me how they do this crochet hairstyle. This is our pack and we use 2 packs for better results. So I want to show you how to separate this effectively, because I know some have been trying to forge out this hairstyle but they couldn't do it in a perfect way. So I've been touched by some of my supporters or some of my fans from different countries to make for them this video how to do Havana curls for crochet. So I want you to follow me, be with me, be attentive to see how they do Havana curls for crochet. Mind you, before doing this hair, make sure you cut off these tips, because when you leave them there, this hair will entangle and it will be difficult for you to separate it. Remember, you're going to split it in 2 small curls, which will later be twisted as you see in some of my videos when I'm doing Havana curl hairstyles. And sometimes you can just braid this hairstyle without even twisting it. Yeah, so here I cut off these tips before I do my curls, as you're going to see. So I'm going to apply oil. This is the oil we use, it's so organic. This is the oil we use. Some people prefer different type of oils, but me, I'm going to use this. It's a solid oil. It is so nice for this hair. Here I'm applying. I have to first apply it on these individual strands before splitting it into small particles. After applying the oil, now I'm starting to separate 2 small curls. I salute my people, my friends in Canada. The one I sent this hair, I made it for them. I salute you, thank you for your support. You gave me some good money, thank you. I think you can see I want to get this size. I think you can see it. I have to be constant in my size. It says I'm going to make, it has to be constant, it has to be the same. Greetings to Kenzie in Finland. I love you so much. Thank you for your support. Let me hope the hairstyle I did to you is still okay. By the way, to mention but a few, what this hair can do, this hair can give you different hairstyles. It can give you threes, it can give you individuals, still in threes, it can give you crochet, it can give you curls, it can give you a lot of different things. Some people are wondering why am I saying a lot. This is one of the most beautiful hairstyles I've seen. Some of the advantages are it is very light on someone or on someone's head. The second advantage is it is washable. The third, it is very easy to handle, and those guys who like to swim, you can swim with this hair, no problem with it. Its maintenance, it's the very easiest way. It's very easy to maintain it. That is to say, you just spray water, you mix water and oil and spray this hair. to activate the curls. It's very easy to style. You can style it in different ways. I'm very sure with time to come I'll show you how to style this hair. This hair is long lasting. For most of the people who don't normally get time for salon, this hair can favor you because it takes its time. It is a long lasting hairstyle that can take you up to 3 months, even more if you like. This hair is so protective to your hairline, and it will protect your edges. Nothing like your hair will break. Instead, it will just grow. Those are some of the advantages I've told you about this hair. If you want to know more, just go down into the comment section and write to me. Ask any questions. The other day I saw some people asking me how many packs you can use. We normally use 2 packs, but you can even use 1.5, but it's better you use 2 because you have to give it a good volume. When the volume is a bit big, it comes out well. I mean, it really looks so beautiful when it's a bit heavy, when it's a bit much, not too thin. This is the size. I think you can see very well. It is a constant size. I don't change in any way. It has to be uniform. These are our curls. They are now ready to be crocheted. If you want such, you can order it. You can deliver anywhere you are in the world. I am JK as usual. Don't forget to share this video because people are looking for crochet hairstyles or hairstyles that are very free, light and easy to handle. You can share. It can be of an advantage to someone out there you don't know, or someone you know. So please just share. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click on the notification bell, and of course give me a like if you see that you have done a great job. So this is how we do Havana curls. Hope you've been serious about it. Hope you've been following. So this is how we do Havana curls. First, you cut off the tips. After cutting off the tips, you apply oil. After applying oil, you start to split into these small curls. Ready. It's now ready to be crocheted on your client. Or if you're not going to do a crochet hairstyle, you can use this in 3s, because I told you Havana curls can give you different types of hairstyles. So this is now ready to be braided in 3s or crocheted or twisted. I salute you and I sign out. See you in another video. I am JK.